Welcome to the in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the into the settings application, and after that scroll all the way down to the system section. After that click here, and here you'll see the last section was developer options, and if they are activated you'll see here this option. So now just click here, and just to hide the developer options you should click here on the ones on the swatcher, and now you can see that a lot of the options they are blocked. And when we'll go back here into the system, we can see here that the developer options section is gone. So that's it, that's how to hide developer options on our Vivo phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.